Everyone, Akash here. If you're personally struggling with your hair, I personally did that over 7 years ago when I first was thinking which product should I get myself that could help me regrow my hair. Because if you tell Neo Hair Lotion, is this the real one or the fake one? I would say there's three different way you could look at the packaging and you could tell if it's real or not. If you go on my link and if you click the link, it's a US seller and it says they're 100% authentic US seller and you would get it in 2-3 days. So I know that is 100% authentic. But if you're in a different country, if you're not sure, how could you tell fake or real? So the first thing you gotta look at it, the address in the back, it should be Bangkok. There's the address right here, Bangkok. That's the first thing you're gonna look at in the packaging. Second thing, it should be 120 ml, not something else showing it. And it's also made by Green Wealth. So make sure it says on the packaging and the name. So if those three things matches, so that's when it is authentic. And again, if you're in a US market, if you're in like England or something, you could get it through my link. So you're gonna get the 100% real one. The second question I'm getting, they feel like they're getting some white stuff after using it. If you're getting some white stuff on your hair, that's mean you're using it too much. If you look at the instruction in the back, it says you only spray like 2 or 3 times, not more than that. So if you're doing like 3, 4, 5, 6 times, you're spraying it on your hair, then you might see some white stuff like a dandruff kind of thing. So basically, if you just do it 2 or 3 times, that's mean you're doing it properly and you're not going to see no like white stuff, nothing. So then the third thing they always ask me, is there any side effect? Personally, if you never used it, any product you see on the market, that's the first thing you look at, is there has any side effect to it. Neo Hair Lotion, I personally, this is the third bottle I used it, and my hair is much better right now, so I'm not using it anymore. I'm just using the Moroccan oil, which I'm about to show you. So this one, personally, I used it for more than 3 bottles and it's about, I would say, 4 or 5 months. I personally did not see any side effect or anything. Or you could go check it on my previous videos, Neo Hair Lotion. Not even one single video that personally anybody says that they had an issue with any side effect or anything. All positive comments you see, like individual people, they left it that it really works and really helping them. So that makes me feel really good about it. So the best way to use it in the morning and use it in the afternoon. Just like it dries out pretty quick. You just 3 times you spray it and that's about it, and just comb your hair. So you would see like within a week you would see rapid hair growth, that your hair is growing really fast. The Moroccan oil, I've been using it for like more than 4 years now. This is probably my most favorite oil. There's many oil, but I choose this one by far the best, because this video I'm talking about last 7 years, which one is the best that I personally used and I benefited from it, and Moroccan oil is that one of them. If you check out my channel playlist, there's a red onion oil, coconut oil, satua mix oil. Those are great products and it helps you. Everybody's hair situation is different, but by far the best, this one helped me. If you have the hair root, you recently lost the hair root stays there about 2 to 3 years before it's completely closed off. So if your hair root is there, even you cannot see it, if it's there, even is there for like tiny bit is there, if you use this hair oil, and this you're gonna see within a week, you're gonna see that baby hair gonna come out. If the hair root is there, is absolutely gonna do the job and give the extra boost and the nutrition you need for that hair root to grow back. So this is definitely gonna do it if the hair root is there. So when I first started using this one, I was checking my hair every day. The hair root, I was looking at it, that if it's coming out. Yeah, I see the little baby thing. It's a long process. You gotta use it 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. When my hair situation was really bad, so I used it every night, overnight, every night. So when now it's got better, now I use it once a week. Keep it overnight in the morning, and then you could wash it out, and then you could use the Neo Hair Lotion. That would be the best way to do it. So because you don't want to mix it up with the Neo Hair Lotion and Moroccan oil. So I have the link in description box. You could always check it out. But if you're not sure where you can find this product, it's called Moroccan Oil Light. There's many different Moroccan oil, but this is called Moroccan Oil Light. That's the one you wanted to get. And this is 100% pure organic oil. It has no side effect, nothing. You could use it all year long. Like I said, I've been using it for more than 4 years now, and I wanted to continue unless I find something better than this. The Folly Growth is my all-time favorite hair supplement. A few years back, one of my friends told me about this, and I got this, and that time I was thinking, should I spend like $40 for a hair supplement? But you know what? I'm glad I did that, and over the year, many different times I ordered it when I really needed it. And if you look at the label on this box, They did the 16 years clinically research on this product, and man and woman both has so much benefit with this. And this, if you know, this is very famous product in US market. And if you look at the label in the back, it's a gluten-free, cruelty-free, made in California, FDA approved, and also it doesn't have no soy. So many. So anything that you're thinking that all this artificial thing is not in here, and it has, like, if you look at the label, it's a vegetarian healthy food. So it's basically 28 different vitamin is in it, all made by vegetarian. So there is no side effect, nothing. And like I said, 16 years they researched it, and I personally take one a day now because my hair situation is much better now. So I just take one a day. So this way you will be sure that you're not getting anything to worry about side effect or losing hair, and also you're getting everything natural. Feel really good about it, and also this is gonna help you regrow your hair super fast. Like about 20 days ago, if you look at my previous video, 20 days ago I shaved my head, and using these products, like, yeah, I take this one a day, but if your hair situation is really bad, you could take one in the morning, one in the afternoon. But if you look at the level, it says if your hair situation is really bad, you should take two in the morning, one in the afternoon. But like I said, this is very expensive product, but it really gets the job done. So if you're gonna get it, if depending on your hair situation, if you lost only 20% of your hair, maybe you could just take one in the morning and one in the afternoon. If you lost 40% or more, then you should take two in the morning and one in the afternoon. And again, when you recover all your hair, you don't need this follic growth, or you don't need new hair lotion. All you need is this Moroccan oil. When you recover all your hair, this is the one. You're gonna use it overnight. If your hair situation is good, just use it once a week. That would do the job. So this way that you're not losing any hair, and your hair is strong. Hair roots is very strong. Highly unlikely you're gonna lose hair. Many different reasons people lose hair, but you all have to watch for it. Every morning when you wake up, every time you take a shower, you keep on checking that are you losing any hair. You have to pay attention before you lose too much hair, because as early you could do, as better for you. So I do have my email address. I told you it's in the description box. You could always personally, if you need any help, you could definitely email me and ask me. And check out my new channel, Money Saving Tips, and definitely many great videos you'll find there that could really help you save money and everything else. So take care.